This is the very first California Swine Day. It is in an effort to have more value-added events for California Pork Producer Association members and to be able to network with other producers within our community here in California.
Be able to work with the Clear Center. Dr. Mitloehner does such a great job of telling producer story, and the administration here does a great job of backing it up, and we need those data points from scientists to be able to share producer story.
We need to sustain agricultural production, and we need to make the best use. And we need each and every one of you, particularly the younger ones in this room, to help us address that 2050 challenge, to learn those tools and technologies to produce most efficiently and with the least environmental footprint and so on.
Main highlights and topics that were spoken about today would be Prop 12 and as it relates to our producers here in the state of California and how to become compliant, and also sow housing and behavior as it relates to production.
Because if you mix them and they fight, there could be a chance that the embryos that were implanted in the uterus get knocked loose. There's an abortion.
We've had great speakers on nutrition, and more specifically human nutrition, and pigs being a model for that research. Very informative to be able to see that correlation between human and animal medicine and animal health.
So in our first UC Davis Swine Information Day, so I briefly cover some ongoing research supported by Clear Center, Pig Paradigm, and also National Pork Board and CDFA. So all of this research related to how to promote the robustness of post-weaning pigs and how to reduce the use of antibiotic as a medical treatment to treat the post-weaning diarrhea.
I always love the opportunity to kind of get out of what I'm used to seeing day to day, right? And so, you know, coming from Iowa, coming to meetings like this and the first annual California Swine Day allows me to get kind of an appreciation for, you know, the customer base and, you know, the questions that they have, you know, and how that provides some opportunities for the pork industry.
It is so important from a partnership perspective. I often say that within the supply chain, we're each individual links. And the more links of that chain that we can put together, it's much like a farm tool. The longer that we can make that chain, the more that tool becomes more helpful to us, just like on a farm.
When all of us get together in the same room, it helps us, you know, make bigger strides in advancement in the industry. It shows that, you know, we're all willing to work together on the issues that the industry faces, and it's a good way for us to share information. I've enjoyed attending the event and have learned a lot from some of the research speakers that we've had as well.